सो गाइज आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट द रॉयल एनफील्ड सुपर मीटियोर 650। अब आई हैव बीन लिविंग विद दिस बाइक फॉर द पास्ट 3 मंथ्स, जिस पीरियड में हमने नई बुलेट 650 भी चलाई एंड उसका कंपैरिजन अब आप हमारे चैनल पे देख सकते हैं। बट कमिंग बैक टू दिस इज स्टिल द फ्लैगशिप मोटरसाइकिल बाय द रॉयल एनफील्ड ब्रांड, और इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगा अपने लॉन्ग टर्म इंप्रेशंस and if this motorcycle still deserves that crown of being a flagship in 2026. So I suggest that you keep watching if you are in the market looking for a big bike. Now the Super Meteor has been in market for a while and over the years Royal Enfield ने अपनी इस 650cc प्लेटफॉर्म पे around 7 different motorcycles launch कर दी हैं. But still in my books, I think that the Super Meteor is the best looking 650cc motorcycle from the brand in the Indian market because इसमें आपको quintessential cruiser डिज़ाइन देखने को मिलता है, वही डायनामिक्स हैं और वही ergonomics हैं which are really attractive and give you that big bike feel when you are out on the road. उसको सबसे ज़्यादा enhance करता है इसका seating position because as you'll see यहाँ पर extended foot pegs हैं मेरे पास and brake lever is also right there and the same goes on for the gear levers that are on the left side and इधर मेरे को both up and down shifters मिल रहे हैं which is something unique in the Super Meteor riding experience. And all that just doesn't end on looks because Royal Enfield ने काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा equipment इसमें दिया था at the time of launch itself. फ्रंट में आपको देखने को मिल रहे हैं शोवा के USD front forks and you also get alloy wheels in this from the factory itself as standard equipment. उसके अलावा I also get dual channel ABS and tripper navigation भी इस मोटरसाइकिल में आपको मिल जाता है as standard equipment again. एक जो चीज़ मेरे को बहुत अच्छी लगी about what Royal Enfield has done to the design treatment is that even though यहाँ पर healthy amount of chrome देखने को आपको मिलेगा on the tank, on the exhaust pipes and other bits, the engine casings are finished in a very different kind of finish जो इसको maintain करना बहुत easy कर देता है and that is because it does not tend to attract watermarks or any other kind of stains in your day-to-day riding. But of course the crown jewel of any Royal Enfield 650 is its heart, the 648cc twin cylinder engine जो produce करता है 47 PS of power and 52.3 Newton meters of torque. Now the good thing here is that irrespective of which 650 motorcycle you buy, जो engine output है आपको वही same मिलता है and the character of the bikes change in terms of the kind of chassis they have and how they have been set up and the kind of riding ergonomics they have. तो चलिए उसकी बात करते हैं. Now as I mentioned before, the Riders Triangle is a quintessential cruiser bike riders triangle जो आपको Super Meteor में देखने को मिलता है, which means that you sit in a very commanding position. You have this handlebar which is wide and it is a little up in height also, so you get to easily grab onto it. And ये जो foot pegs हैं, they are slightly front set, so you get that relaxed position when you are riding on this motorcycle. उसके अलावा you are also getting the toe and heel shifter here जो आपका राइडिंग एक्सपीरियंस बहुत ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल भी बना देता है एंड इट ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स फीलिंग मोर इंटुइटिव विद मोर टाइम दैट यू स्पेंड विद द मोटरसाइकिल. अब क्रूजर डिज़ाइन की वजह से क्या होता है कि दैट द मोटरसाइकिल हैज़ अ वेरी लो सीट हाइट ऑफ 740 mm एंड डिफरेंट हाइट्स के लोग इसको काफ़ी आसानी से चला सकते हैं इवन दो दिस इज़ अ वेरी हैवी मोटरसाइकिल एट 240 kgs. बट उसका वेट मेरे को उतना चलाते हुए फील नहीं होता है. But I have to be honest, while making U-turns and diverting through slow speed traffic, then I have to be a little careful because वो weight मेरे हाथों पे मेरे को feel होने लगता है and also because of this wide handlebar what happens, U-turn लेना even for me, it's a bit of a stretch when I compare this to the other 650s that I have ridden like the Bullet 650, Continental GT 650 and others. बात करते हैं राइडिंग परफॉर्मेंस की एंड वेल ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ बिग मोटरसाइकिल एंड फ्यूल एफिशिएंसी इसकी टॉप प्रायोरिटी नहीं है. ड्यूरिंग माय टेस्टिंग ओवर द पास्ट 3 months I was able to get anywhere between 16 to 18 kilometers to a liter and on expressways when I rode a lot then it was able to go up till 20-21 kmpl. बट माइलेज के आगे बात करें तो वो जो थोड़ा सा आपको एक पेन पॉइंट शायद महसूस हो या फिर ना हो, उसके अलावा as soon as you start riding this motorcycle everything else starts making sense because you know the torque from that 648cc engine kicks in really soon and you know you can just glide on through traffic, through expressways, through highways effortlessly on the Super Meteor 650 especially because when you are on this motorcycle you feel like that it is built for long touring और उसी के साथ you have the companionship of the raspy exhaust note that is coming from the back. बट वहीं पे Super Meteor 650 का एक फ्लिप साइड भी मेरे को देखने को मिला during my time with this motorcycle and that is जहाँ पर मेरे को यहाँ पर चला के फीलिंग आ रही थी कि मेरे को इस मोटरसाइकिल को एक लॉन्ग हाईवे टूर पे लेके जाना चाहिए. In the same breath, I had to tell myself that it is not that comfortable for a long period of time of riding. अब मैं ऐसा इसलिए कह रहा हूँ because the feedback from the rear suspensions जिसमें 110 mm के अराउंड का ट्रैवल है, the feedback is really harsh over you know bumps, bad roads and even expansion joints on any flyover. उससे क्या होता है that I feel a lot of jerks on the lower part of my body and that takes a toll and leads to fatigue. And after riding this motorcycle for 3 months, I can tell you for sure that is the Achilles heel in the armor of the Super Meteor 650 क्योंकि जहां पर ये मोटरसाइकिल बाकी सारी चीजों में बहुत ज्यादा satisfactory है, the comfort department is where it loses out on because of that rear suspension. And that is where more chinks in the armor start surfacing to the level because for a motorcycle, a flagship bike जिसकी स्टार्टिंग प्राइस ही अराउंड ₹4 लाख एक शोरूम से चालू होती है, द फीचर्स लिस्ट इज ऑल्सो नॉट दैट इम्प्रेसिव टू बी ऑनेस्ट बिकॉज इसमें आपको अभी भी वही सेमी डिजिटल एनालॉग क्लस्टर देखने को मिल रहा है एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम द डुअल चैनल ABS एंड द ट्रिपर नेविगेशन कोई भी इतना हाईलाइटिंग फीचर इस मोटरसाइकिल के मैनिफेस्टो का पार्ट नहीं है जिसके बारे में मैं आपसे बात करूं. और उसी के साथ द रियर पैसेंजर इधर आप देख सकते हैं द स्टैंडर्ड सीट दैट यू गेट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट्री. इट्स अ वेरी स्लिम यूनिट एंड इसमें कुशनिंग भी कुछ ज़्यादा खास नहीं है एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर द हार्श फीडबैक फ्रॉम द रियर सस्पेंशन is going to make things difficult over longer rides. Now, Royal Enfield does have a touring seat option available for the Super Meteor, but in my books, when I walk into a showroom and I look at a Super Meteor 650, I want the bike as is because मेरे हिसाब से this is the look which suits it the best और वो touring seat से वो जो ऐसे उठ जाता है, I don't personally like it. You let me know what you think about that in the comment section. So with those observations out of the way, बात कर लेते हैं कि 2026 में भी आपको ये Royal Enfield की flagship Super Meteor 650 consider करनी चाहिए या नहीं. Well, if you are someone who has been in love with cruiser motorcycles since their childhood and are looking for a big bike which does not burn a hole in your pocket, well, the Super Meteor 650 is a superb choice. मगर आप वो डिसीजन तभी लीजिएगा if you are a casual rider and are not planning to make long tours and interstate travel a regular thing during your time with riding. Because after 3 months, I can tell you that if I owned this motorcycle, I would only be taking it out on my weekend rides, which are casual rides. For my day-to-day riding needs, this bike does not really solve any problems that I have because this is a heavy motorcycle. It also does not get any provisions or any brackets here on which I can mount my luggage bags. और उसके अलावा of course it is going to feel like a beast. It is not something meant for your day-to-day traffic commutes. मगर whenever you are out on the road on the Super Meteor 650, अटेंशन आपको बहुत सारा मिलेगा और काफी लोग आके आपसे पूछेंगे भी इस मोटरसाइकिल के बारे में. सो दैट इज अ नोवेल्टी फीचर अबाउट द Super Meteor 650 जिसके बारे में सब लोग बात उतना नहीं करते हैं. नाउ इफ यू आर समवन हु इज लुकिंग फॉर अ वन बाइक गराज, देन I would say that the Super Meteor 650 should be avoided and you can look at the other 650 models that the Royal Enfield has in its lineup. Overall, the bike looks perfect, performs really well, magar this is still not a daily rider in my books. And I also suspect कि considering that this bike has been around for a while, Royal Enfield might be working on a facelifted version or a new updated version for the Super Meteor, जिसमें हमें शायद better features भी देखने को मिल सकते हैं. And with that, I leave you to let me know what you think about the Super Meteor 650 in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and like always, subscribe to the Times Drive channel for more such automotive videos.